Okay guys, I'm gonna create a Pokemon character from scratch. I basically took I had an Instagram poll session where we decided what the character would be like, the age, the gender, everything. So now we're gonna create a new character from scratch. So I hope this live stream is informative for you guys. And I'm gonna just select okay. So we have so it's going to be a male character around 20 years of age, really angry, has a dark type Pokemon, and that's about it. So this is what I mean. A pose goes a long way in describing the character's personality. So of course the expressions will be the main part, but right now I'm just sketching out the basic pose for the character. Then we'll decide what type of clothes he's gonna wear, how he's gonna look. So I'm planning on making him a little more geeky. So I usually start basically with the sketch pose of the character and then move along with the remaining parts. So now that we have the basic pose sketch down, I'm gonna work more on the face. Let's get to it. So his age is kind of going to be anywhere between 20 and 30 years old. So let's give him a kind of an. So I'm going to maintain the Pokemon proportions usually. He's supposed to be angry, so what I love about Pokemon is the way they draw the eyes. Every character has kind of a different eye shape that defines his personality. I'm gonna remove the line. So he's a dark type user, so I'm gonna kind of draw the hair accordingly. I'm gonna give him these stable eye like glasses. So this is the fun part, right? I mean, These stabilized glasses will make his hair look like it's a monster or something like that. If you notice the teeth, the eyes, then we'll give an extra kind of a coating to the hair. This is what I love about Pokemon designs. They play so much with the eyes, the hair, and we could give him a small goatee. Now coming to the clothes, so I'm gonna give him kind of like a sweatshirt. It's turning out pretty cool. There's this wacky monster-like shirt. And as I said, guys, it's all open to interpretation. How you would see a character would be very different from how I'd approach it. And that's cool. I think we all have our own way of approaching characters, and that's what makes the creativity so much fun. So this is how I do it step by step, the whole procedure of creating a character. And I'm kind of gonna give him like if he's wearing his shirt. Cool shoes, I guess. There was a time when I used to have so much trouble drawing speed, just even normal speed. But touch wood, that obstacle is now out of the way. So there we have it, I guess. And if we kind of want to make him more symbolic, I'm going to give him these dark kind of shades. So yeah, I think we're done with the character. Of course, I still have to decide which Pokemon to give him. So I'll add that during the final phase. But I hope this, guys, kind of gives you a little bit of insight of how I design characters. It can be anything. I mean, this character could have been a fat character. So all these things need to be kept in mind while designing. I wanted to make him a slim character, someone like really mad and really villainous. So I think we've kind of done a good job, and you guys can try it out too. Just think out of the box, the way to handle the characters, what clothes you need to give them. It's also that's what makes character designing so much fun, right? I mean, you get to experiment so much when you're working on your own concepts. Of course, if somebody commissions you, then you have to stay by that particular rule. But when you're creating your own characters, it becomes so much more flexible. So give it a shot, guys. I'm going to start coloring this now. So this will be in speed. I'll just have to speed up the video, but I still hope you enjoy it. So let's start with the colors. So these are just colors that I'm choosing as per my whatever way I want to see the character. You can try your own style. I think green and black go really well on villains especially. Black as well. I'm going to switch off the rough here now. I'm going to draw. and tomorrow I'll decide which old Pokemon he'll be, you know, going with, and I'll post it on Instagram, on YouTube. So I hope you enjoyed this session, and thank you so much for joining.